Hello, we are Mark and Daniel, and we are going to speak about toads and frogs.
Toads.
The scientist name of toads is Bufo. Toads are family of Anura, and they are amphibians. The genre with most kinds of toad is two-foot toad with 96 kinds. When they are, and this is one kind of toad, this other and this other. When they are attacked, they inflate and they go and they go.
The physical description of the tubes. The measures more or less are 15 more or less. They usually are cream and brown, and they are amphibians. They have all 4 legs to eggs. They have soft skin after break for ground.
Toads food. Toads are insectivorous and carnivorous. They only eat insects, for example, ants, spider, worms, mosquito, snails, and slugs, and more insects. They hunt insects starting. They observe the insect, later throw their tongue, and finally they catch the insect. This is jumping. She is going to throw her tongue and is going to hunt an insect.
The habitat. The toads live in the all of the world, but usually live in humid places, for example, in ponds, rivers, lakes, and other types live in desert, for example, in Pirius and Virus.
Is this? We are going to speak now about frogs.
Okay, hang on.